Hi, grade 10 design. I just want to quickly show you how to download the Figma FigJam app for your Mac. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to search for Figma app download. So you can see I did this earlier today. So then click on the Figma downloads. Then we're going to scroll down here and you're going to look for desktop app for Mac OS. Click on that. Save it. Find where it's saved to and open it. Next, we're going to slide this over. The Figma app is different from other apps I've downloaded on the Mac before because it doesn't show you when it's finished. So I need to kind of go through here and find it. One thing you can do is you can open your apps. You go to Go and Applications, and you have an apps folder, and I see that it's here. Okay, so I can eject this on my desktop, and I can open this one in my apps folder. And it says it's downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And yes. And then it downloads it. See, that's what's weird to me because it should be downloaded already. I think that means opening or unpacking. Anyway, we can wait for this. And now Figma is down here on my toolbar. I'm sorry you can't see that. But then I open it up. And then right here, where it says, go away. All right, well, where it says grade 10, here you have two options. And you can click on the slingshot challenge, and that will bring you to our unit 2. And so we didn't use Figma for criteria A, but we're going to start using it for criteria B, C, and D. All right, good luck.